network sim on installing a commercial triple play. When working with commercial accounts, there is a higher expectation for service. As a technician who works in commercial environments, you will need to have a strong understanding of all aspects of the services offered. You have been tasked with installing video, telephone, and data services for a commercial customer. You have arrived at the business location and have greeted the customer. During your conversation with the customer, you verified the services they ordered and any specific requirements they have. It is important to let the customer know that their services may be interrupted while you are doing the installation. Click the Next button. The customer requested 4 phone lines, 1 in each of the 3 offices and 1 for the reception desk. For data services, the customer would like a business gateway installed with a static IP. It will be connected to their firewall. For video services, the customer has ordered 2 high-definition DTAs, 1 for the TV in the reception area and 1 for the conference room. Click the Next button. Now that you understand the requirements, what should you do first? The customer has had the entire office wired by an IT contractor. There is a coax cable run from the 2 TVs to the telecom closet. Each office and the reception desk have a dual jack with 2 Cat6 cables, 1 for data connectivity and 1 for the telephone. The telephone wiring can carry 4 lines if needed. The phone wires are wired back to the telecom closet to the 66 punch-down block. The cubicles also have Cat6 data cables. All the data cables are wired to a network switch in the telecom closet. Click the Next button. With a good understanding of how the office is wired, we can now begin with the installation. Click the Next button. What is the first thing that you should install? Click on a tap port to remove the terminator and to test the RF signal with your meter. On the meter, select the single channel test and verify the RF levels. With the RF verified, you can run the drop. Click on the tap port to install the drop. The building has cable raceways in the ceiling to route the cable. Use these raceways to run the drop from the telecom room to the customer's telecom closet. Click the Next button. Now that the drop is run to the customer's telecom closet, you will need to split the signal. Click on the wall to install a 4-way splitter. Click on the port to install the drop. Click on the splitter to connect the feed from the TVs. You will be creating a jumper to connect to the business class gateway, which is also an EMTA. Click the Next button. A terminator will be installed on the unused splitter port. Click the Next button. Let's begin with the commercial voice installation. The customer ordered 4 phone lines. Line 1 is for the reception desk. Lines 2 through 4 are for the offices. All of the lines will work as a hunt group. The IT vendor has wired the 4 phone lines back to a 66 punch-down block. Click the Next button. In addition to the EMTA, what other hardware will you need to install? Before doing any wiring, you should install and provision the business gateway, which can provide phone service through the built-in EMTA. Click to mount the gateway to the wall. Click on the port of the first connection that should be made. Click on the next port that should be connected. Click on the next port that should be connected. Click on the port of the first connection that should be made. Click on the next port that should be connected.